The team at Rotary Lakers Powai Mumbai is doing its best. It's making sure that the children are ready when things go wrong. So preemptively it is connecting with the children, inspiring them, giving them simple solution, emphasizing cleanliness, encouraging them to come to the front, speak out their mind, and be heard by their own peers with sincerity and rapt attention. And it is this peer-to-peer learning that is helping us. As a result, everybody, regardless of the age, they are improvising, they are putting their own resolve together, and they are working up so that for this battle worthiness we are not lacking, and we are ready for it, fully ready for it, when we know that we have a tough battle ahead of us. So here is Mumbai Lakers effort from Powai, and God bless everybody. Thank you.